Let's make some brown stew fish. This is how I make it. If your granny make it different and you prefer your granny one, use your granny recipe. Okay, so you just need black pepper and salt to season your fish. You can add all purpose, that's not necessary. And you cut up your season them: onion, scallion, tomato, pimento, garlic, hot pepper, bell pepper. I didn't have any thyme, but thyme nice tonight too. You go fry it like how you fry regular fish. Burn your garlic, burn your pepper, then you fry your fish. You go fry your fish right through. You go cook the fish, right? Alright, so you gotta make sure that the fish is fried on both sides. This is not the best fish to do this, but this is what I have. I'm gonna make it work. Sliced fish better to do this with. You know me, Jamaicans don't mean say sliced fish. I have access to that, so I'm using fillet, which is softer, much more delicate, harder to work with, so easy to break up. So you have to be careful if you have to use this. Then you take out your fish, then take out some of the oil out of the pot, saute your veggies. All of them can go in together. It doesn't really matter. When everything is sauteed, you're going to add water. I don't know what you add in your house, but the water me adding in my house. You're adding water. To the water, ketchup, browning. You have to be very careful with the browning. And if I were you, I would not hold the browning over the stove like that. Throw it in the caulk, then throw it in the pot. Alright. Now I add a little bit of barbecue sauce because I like it in mine. I give a little sweetness, and I like that. That is why I did that. If you don't like that, don't do that. Alright. You're going to gently lay back the fish into the sauce. When it take up, when the gravy make already, not when it's a long water, because when we say the fish cook already, you just need like 2 to 3 minutes to soak up some of the sauce, and you're good to go. Remember, say you now cook the fish again as I make the fish take up a little of the sauce, because the fish don't cook already. Alright, you make it stay for probably 2-3 minutes. You just incorporate with the sauce, and that is it. Oh, tell me if you don't want me to give instructions like talk, voiceovers, or just let music play, and you guys are visual learners. No. I'm not even telling me what to do. Alright? Then you can eat it with anything where you want. Mashed potato, rice, dumpling, anything. Bye-bye.